Alright, welcome to this video. This is what you're going to be creating. Start off by clicking tab and type in rubber toy in, test geometry rubber toy, and then you're gonna click this little thing here and then click tab again and type in Vellum, configure balloon. And once you've done that, you're gonna add a Vellum solver. So type in tab Vellum solver and make it close to that so the lines attach automatically. And then go to forces and set gravity, this little button here, to 0. And then go to Vellum pressure with the rest length scale and make it 11. If you want to like add some different effects to it, you go to Vellum cloth, then go to stretch and then bend. So if you change the stiffness on stretch and bend here, it will give you a different type of effect. And yeah, thank you for watching.